Ambedkar Memorial Park, formerly known as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajik Parivartan Pratik Sthal, is a public park and memorial in Gamti Nagar, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The memorial is dedicated to B.R. Ambedkar, the 20th century Indian polymath and the major author of Indian Constitution. The park also honors the lives and memories of Jyotirao Phule, Narayana Guru, Birsa Munda, Shahuji Maharaj and Kashiram. The park also has 124 monumental elephants. The memorial was constructed by Mayawati, the former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. During her administration, the foundation stone of the memorial was first laid in 1995. Earlier, the park was named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Udyan. In 2002, it was renamed the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial and development work continued until 2003. In 2007, the park underwent further renovation and development. It was initially opened to the public on 14th April 2008 by Chief Minister Mayawati. The entire memorial is built using red sandstone brought from Rajasthan. It is situated in the posh locality of Gamti Nagar, the largest plant residential colony in India. Its name was changed from Ambedkar Park to Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial in May 2012. There is a Pratibimb Sthal. It is the main entrance to the memorial guarded by statues of 62 elephants either side. There is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial Drashya Sthal, constructed on an 80-foot pyramid-type structure on the back of Pratibimb Sthal. The Drashya Sthal offers a vantage point from where the park, shrines, structures and sites integrate as a view of the whole area. The flow of water from the top of the pyramid entertains visitors. This construction is the heart of the entire memorial. The Sanctum Sanctorum consists of many statues depicting the biography of Ambedkar. There are 4 doors in opposite directions. This is a construction in the shape of a flower bearing 4 petals. There is a bronze statue of Ambedkar seated in a chair, facing towards the 2 domes. The Ambedkar statue was modeled on the sculpture of Abraham Lincoln at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington. At the base of the statue, a message in Hindi, which is "मेरा जीवन संघर्ष ही मेरा संदेश है." My struggle of life is my only message. Opposite to the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial is the museum, constructed over an area of about 2.5 acres. The building has 2 domes on top. It contains large statues of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Rajashri Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj, Sri Narayan Guru, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and Sri Kashiram. Another building consists of 18-foot tall marble statues of Tathagata Gautam Buddha, Sant Kabir Das, Sant Ravi Das, Guru Ghazidas and Sri Birsa Munda. All the informations are collected from the internet Wikipedia as on 23rd October 2021.